Hello everyone, how lovely to see you all here. Today I'm going to show you how to bake my sticky ginger pudding, a perfect winter warmer to spice you up on stormy nights. Before we get baking, let's get all the ingredients and equipment we need. Grab your coat and get your hat, leave your worry on the doorstep, just direct your feet to the sunny side of the street. Can't you hear that pitter-pat? And a happy tune is your step. Life can be so sweet on the sunny side of the street. I used to walk in the shade with those blues on parade. Now I'm not afraid. This rover crossed over if I never get a cent. I'll be rich as Rockefeller, gold dust at my feet on the sunny side of the street. If I never get a cent, I'll be rich as Rockefeller, gold dust at my feet on the sunny side of the street. Now we have everything we need. Let's get down to baking. First, grease the basin with butter. To make the pudding come out easily, line the base of the basin with a circle of greaseproof paper. Then prepare a large square of foil by greasing it with butter and set aside for later. Boil a kettle and place a saucer or jam lid in a large pan ready for the pudding later. In the prepared pudding basin, put the chopped ginger, ginger syrup and golden syrup. Set the basin aside. Isn't this a lovely day to be caught in the rain? You were going on your way, now you've got to remain. Just as you were going, leaving me all at sea, the clouds broke, they broke, and oh, what a break for me. I can see the sun up high, that we're caught in the storm. I can see where you and I could be cozy and warm. Let the rain pitter-patter, but it really doesn't matter if the skies are grey. As long as I can be with you, it's a lovely day. Next, make the sponge mix. Place the soft butter into a big bowl and beat with a wooden spoon till very soft. Add all the other ingredients for the sponge into the bowl and beat hard till you have a smooth sponge mix. January brings the snow, makes your feet and fingers glow. February's ice and sleet, freeze the toes right off your feet. Welcome March with wintry wind, would thou wert not so unkind. April brings the sweet spring showers, on and on for hours and hours. Farmers fear unkindly May, frost by night and hail by day. June just rains and never stops, 30 days and spoils the crops. In July the sun is hot, is it shining? No, it's not. August cold and dank and wet, brings more rain than any yet. Bleak September's mist and mud is enough to chill the blood. Then October adds a gale, wind and slush and rain and hail. Dark November brings the fog, should not do it to a dog. try again. Take the foil you prepared earlier and make 2 pleats in the centre of it. Place the foil on top of the basin, gently crumpling the foil around the edge to make it stay in place. Then, take a long piece of string and tie it around the rim of the basin securely with a double knot. Take the extra string and make a handle to make it easier to take in and out of the pan. Trim the excess foil from the basin and place gently on top of the saucer in a large pan. Pour in about a kettle's worth of water around the edges till the water is about 2/3 of the way up the side of the basin. Cover the pan with a lid, bring to the boil and reduce to a simmer for 2 hours. Don't be tempted to look inside the lid for the first 30 minutes, as this increases the chance of the pudding sinking. If the water level gets low halfway through, top up with boiling water to stop the temperature dropping inside the pan. Why are there so many songs about rainbows, and what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions, and rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know they're wrong, wait and see. And someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. Who said that every wish could be heard and answered? The wish on the morning star. Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it. Look what it's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing, and what do we think we might see? And someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. All of us under its spell, we know that it's probably magic. Have you been half asleep, and have you heard voices? I've heard them calling my name. Is this the sweet sound that called the young sailors? The voice might be wanting the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it. It's something that I'm supposed to be. And someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. When the 2 hours is up, take the pudding basin out of the pan and place on a kitchen work surface. Take off the foil and run a table knife around the side of the basin to loosen the pudding. By this stage, the pudding should look firm and sponge-like. If it isn't, put the lid back on and cook for another 30 minutes and check again. Place a plate on top of the basin and flip it over so the basin is upside down. Tap with your hand and gently remove the basin, revealing your pudding, with the stemmed ginger on top. Remove the circle of greaseproof paper and serve in large wedges with custard or cream. You can find this recipe and other monthly bakes at www.lilyblackmore.co.uk. You can also listen to the songs again by going to the SoundCloud playlist ESB Monthly Bake February. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next month for another video full of song and baking. Inspired by the recent showing of The Sound of Music on New Year's Day, today I'm going to make one of Maria's favourite things, a crisp apple strudel.